Welcome to HUS Technologies. Here we are demonstrating night vision control drone. So here quadcopter designed for drone and the main controlling parts. So we interface the four BLDC motors to the section, and this is the RC receiver and is RC transmitter. So before switching on the kit, so we need to put this all down, and all these are in mid in same position only. Before switching on this, you should place the AA batteries in this one, 12 AA batteries, sorry 8 AA batteries, and then so it's the connection part for these two. And before that, I'll tell you about the battery charging section also. It's a battery charger, so we need to connect it here. So we need to connect it here, and then switch on the battery charger. So this three lights are indicating a red indication, nothing but the battery is getting charged. So once it's turned into the green, so charging was done already, full. And then you can remove this. And next we have a camera part with the night vision capability. So it is also has another extra battery. This is the battery, and just now I talked about and charging section about this is the battery, and is another battery for camera section. So we need to connect this micro USB cable at this point. So you can see this micro USB slots like a mobile phone, so connected over there. So before switching on this camera part, I will show you the demo camera section first of all. So before switching on this, so get a phone and install V380. So install V380 app in iOS or any Android mobile phone, and then switch on the supply to the camera. So connected the cable in the set section. So you can see the camera light is red, it's on, camera got switched on. So after switching on the camera, give that around 15 seconds of time, and go to the Wi-Fi. So automatically it will connect to that. So the first time setting will be there, and go to the Wi-Fi settings and connect it to you need to connect to the camera. So the camera number is as mentioned here 145 like this. So it will coming over there. So you need to connect it like this. It doesn't ask for any password. After connecting to that, and then open the app V380. Right. So in that one you need to add camera first time. So it will ask for the registration. No need. Try without accounts and continue. And it will ask if you ask for the camera adding. So you need to add the camera here and ask for the camera number. Just enter the camera number. No password. Username is admin. That's it. And then you will see like this first time. Okay. So now, so we got the right. Okay. Fine. Let us see the okay. Yeah. So let us see the flying part of section now. And one more, the camera battery charging section. This is the one, and the charger is, we need to connect the 2 pin here and put this in 230 volts per plug. So give around of 2 to 3 hours for battery fully charged. So this is a camera battery charging section, and let us see the demonstration of flying drone. Now coming to the drone flying section demonstration. So we need to insert the batteries in this one, and first of all it should be disconnected. Camera part is okay, connected, not a problem. So we all connect the camera, and now on this one, so the transmitter section, the green light is on, and now connect the drone batteries. Right, initial setup is done. So you can see one arrow mark here. So this is indication as a front of the drone. So it will move in this direction, front side, and one red light is off initially. So for this is called disarming. So arming purpose, you need to, this is the one joystick and another joystick So press towards the rightmost down like this. The red light is on. Right. So I keep it in downside. This is the throttle. So when I increasing this, you can see the throttle is increased and the motor is rotating. So now we'll demonstrate this in the outside. Let us see. Let us see. So now let us see the demonstration. So arming is done, and now you can see the video. So we have to control it very gently. As place is not sufficient here, so I am not taking risk. So like this we can control the system. So you can see this is for rotating the drone in circular wise. So you can see this. Okay, and this is for drone forward, backward, left right movement. So you should control it very gently, right? And before switching on that, you should disconnect the power supply over there and then only switch off this. Right, switch off that. While switching off that, the throttle should be the 0. Right, thank you.